Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fill up and apply Cambodia eVisa online. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, more and more countries are nowadays going towards e-visas because these are very easy to apply and it boosts tourism too. So in front of you, I have opened this eVisa Kingdom of Cambodia website. So we are going to go through this. So 3 steps: apply, pay, and download. Pretty simple. So I click on apply now. Of course, I won't be going for step 2 and step 3. Now this is divided into 5 sub steps. So the very first thing is to enter the captcha. This can vary. Of course, it will vary, no doubt. Why would they issue the same captcha every time? Click on apply now. Why I do mistake? No worries, I'll clean this mess and then I'll see you guys. Perfect. So you need to select your gender, date of birth. Of course, every piece of information that you are entering here, you need to verify it 2 times, not just one country where you were born, and it should match with your passport. Otherwise, there could be issues, no doubt. Country of nationality. If you don't have a surname, then put this no surname. You can you need to attach passport and your photograph. So that will do. Surname. I'm just putting sample. You do it as per your case. Telephone. Mail. Probably I exceeded. Sample. 336. Yeah, this time it went through. Perfect. Residential address provided. It's not mandatory, so I'm not doing it. But why would it you not? Definitely provide it. Let me just put some sample. Yeah. Address during visit in Cambodia, wherever you're gonna stay, address, hotel address, or a friend, whatever you have booked. Occupation, worker, heard about us. I'll select Google. Passport details, yes, very important. Visa type, I'm taking this tourist visa. Intended date of entry, passport number. Must be 6 months before passport expiry date. Okay, so I have not entered passport expiry date, that's why. I'll enter 11 characters. Date of issue, port of entry, expiry date. I'll select this. Yeah, it went through. Perfect. You need to attach supporting documents like flight ticket in and out, hotel reservation, bus ticket, whatever you have, and other documents like financial if you want to, so that there's no question. So I'm gonna go through this and then I'm gonna see you guys. In the next screen, it is asking me to review all the information, and once you are sure, I need to check this box and click on submit. I can add more applicant also here and then submit, but this is how it works. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.